welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Friday morning, and as you can see, I'm in my office. For the next couple nights, I'm not cooking. I'm taking a few nights off. I did cook last night. I did prepare the garlic butter chicken with Parmesan rice, and I had peas and carrots on the side. I'm not going to say too much about this meal. I tried casual chefing, at least the rice portion of it. It fell flat. I will post up the recipe for you adventurous types. You might enjoy it. I'm not saying it's bad. I'm just saying it was. Eh. Um, yeah, we have plenty of leftovers. I'm gonna probably have it for lunch. But I can use your help. I'm trying to get together a 3-ingredient challenge that I will be cooking. I've been asking for suggestions for about a week, and I only have 2. So if you're watching this, help me out here. I'm trying to keep things fun in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Just help me out. I will be going to the farmer's market tomorrow because I'm always looking for something new and fresh. Plus, I have a kind of a long list of things that I want to get or try to get for next week's meals. Robin's actually going to be in charge of tonight's dinner, and she's actually cooking tomorrow night. I haven't set the schedule for next week, but we do have a menu. So, on this Friday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun.